All right, today we're going to look at the marathon Excel file. You'll notice here what you have are some marathon running times for some people. And over here you'll see how much time it took them to run, and over here in the table you'll see the number of hours. Up in this part of the table you'll see the distance of typical marathons. So we have the 26 miles here, but we're going to be using this 26.21, which is a more precise number, and it'll give us a more accurate output. So there's also a table, if you look to the right, there's a table, and this is the female runners, and these are the male runners, I believe. Nope, that's not right. So it's just a different set of runners. All right, so what we're going to do, going through the directions, it says calculate the record time in minutes. And then we're going to format that as a number with 2 decimal places. So if I have 2.92 hours, I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm going to take the number of hours and I'm going to multiply it by 60. And then I need to format that as a number. So I'm going to come up here and choose number, and I need to make sure it has 2 decimal places, so we can use these little arrows to increase or decrease our decimal places. Okay, the next thing, the number of minutes per mile. So anytime you see that, you're just talking about a fraction. You're going to do exactly what it says here. You're going to take the minutes and you're going to divide it by the miles. So equals the minutes divided by, and we're going to use this 26. Now I need to lock that, because when I drag this down, I want it to always be D4. So remember to lock it. You use your dollar signs around the D and the 4 to lock it in place. Okay, again, going back to our directions, it says to format it as a number with 2 decimal places. You'll notice all of these say number with 2 decimal places. So we're going to go up here to number, make sure it's got 2 decimal places, and we're good with that. And then the miles per minute, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it a little bit differently this time. So notice that these 2 answers are reciprocals of each other. So this one has the minutes on the top and the miles on the bottom. This one has the miles on the top and the minute on the bottom. So one way of getting a reciprocal is just to take 1 and divide it by the answer before it. So we're going to do that this time instead of doing the ratio like they're recommending. Now we have miles per minute, and I need miles per hour. Well, remember there's 60 minutes in an hour, so all I have to do is take this ratio, this answer, and multiply it by 60, and now I have how many miles per hour this person was able to travel. Again, a number with 2 decimal places. So these formulas can be dragged down. Okay, and then you're going to need to repeat those processes for this table over here. You're going to do the same formulas for the minutes, minutes per mile, miles per minute, miles per hour, making sure that you're using this 26.21 as your miles. Do not use the 26. Hope this helps.